Yo, what's going on YouTube? D-Boy the Greatest coming at y'all, man, with a brand new video to the channel. And today, I got my boy Elijah. Guess what he just got from the store today? Show it closer. Like this. Whoa, Legos. Now tell him, tell them what it is. What kind of Lego is it?
It's a Marvel Avengers Lego. It's 7-Up. It's set 76204, and it's the Black Panther mech armor.
Okay.
124 pieces.
All right. Show them the box one more time.
Here's the front. Here's the back. Here's the top of it. And here's the actual minifigure size. This is the bottom of it. And here's the sides.
All right, so now he's about to go ahead and build it.
Yep.
And once he's done building it, we're going to show it off in the video, okay?
Yep.
All right?
Yep.
Okay. See y'all in...
Bruh.
Come on, build it.
Okay. Yep, the black. Here's the results. And
get it closer.
Here's the results, and you can take the minifigure out, and I'll show you the headpiece for when, like, whatever, when his mask isn't on. The head keeps on rolling. No, not that one. Here's the other way.
Okay, now put him back with the mask.
Okay, have to put the hair back on. The hair keeps on falling off. There we go. And he can go back in. There we go. He got it.
Here, hold on. Here, let me show.
Yep. He's back in.
Black Panther.
The claws even move. You can have it in like a fist. See? Not really.
That's nice.
Anyway, do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot.
See? Or I can put a piece of trash away from him.
All right, let's go ahead and end the video. So thank you for watching Elijah's unboxing of his Lego.
Yep.
And we see you guys next time. Peace out.
Bye.